Today we are plucking the beans, harvesting. My husband is a little taller compared to my husband.
Fall down. Sorry. Hello, needless chicken.
Yeah. Oh. So many, right? Be careful.
Hold it. I need to pull down a little bit and because I have to be careful now, not to break that. Wow, this brinjal. There's a spike in the brinjal. See, thorn is there though.
Sure.
Thorn is there. Thorn is there. Not much brinjal.
Ako ni kisat kay ka.
Also there, downside. Downside, long one also. So, long.
Nice.
You'll get PS.
Alam sa kana pare ka.
Brinjal.
But these brinjal are really sweet.
Original brinjal, not a plan.
Not hybrid. Yeah. Yes. This is white color. Wow. Oh my gosh, river fish. Hikmana kaperan gena we. Hikmana we ahmu. İşmancı dada şu we. Hina kaperan şu we. Bak la. River fish. Look at this. This is river fish. Can you believe it? It's so sweet. What kind of fish is this? We are going to select the fish for Serene. The fish with lesser bones. Serene is going to have a meal today.
Jet feather. Apo.
I'm going to cook this river fish for Serene. My brother, he bought it from the river. It seems this is called arongu. Arongu that we give to the babies. Going to put some tomato. These are tomato from our garden. A little bit of salt.
Sorry, baby, so I won't be putting much salt. Only tomato, salt, and fish.
It's raining so heavy outside. That's the river fish blossom with aloo. Serene's food. Fish, local fish from the river, and pumpkin with rice. Ready. Oh, wow.
là sinh rất nhiều.
Nó ta còn chưa.
Nó tỏng luôn.
Wow. See? Wow. This is Chinese steamed egg, Chinese style. See? Like tofu. So delicious. You want recipe? It's very simple. I will share it with you guys, okay?